Hello everyone. The suspended public protector, Busisiwe Mkhwebane, has lost her urgent bid to return to work. The same full bench of the Western Cape High Court that overturned her suspension by President Cyril Ramaphosa has confirmed that the ruling must first be confirmed by the Constitutional Court before it can take effect. Mkhwebane was in court twice last month, arguing among others that she needed to return to the office immediately to take charge of the Phala Phala investigation concerning the theft of foreign currency from the president's farm. She approached the court for a second time last month after it found her suspension to have been invalid, and the DA then filed an appeal against the ruling. Public protector was of the impression that judgment meant she could return to work immediately. She argued that her dignity and reputation were being impugned during her absence from office. But judges Lukeleni, Nuku and Francis have now confirmed the judgment they originally delivered was never intended to provide for temporary relief as per the Constitution. A judgment involving a decision by the President must be confirmed by the Apex Court. This means the judgment overturning Mkhwebane's suspension is of no force and effect until then. The President and the DA are appealing the original judgment, which found the President acted unlawfully in suspending Mkhwebane. Their appeal is due to be heard in the Constitutional Court in late November. Mkhwebane's parliamentary impeachment hearing is currently on hold to deal with the recusal application against the inquiry chairperson. Mr. Phala Phala is holding them by balls. What do you think about this situation, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.